If you love spoiling your furry friend, homemade dog treats are the perfect way to do it. Here are some simple and delicious homemade dog treat recipes. Peanut butter is a great source of protein, healthy fats, and vitamins that support your dog's energy and coat health. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, take a large mixing bowl and add half a cup of all-natural peanut butter and half a cup of pumpkin puree. Crack in 1 egg and mix well until all the ingredients are combined. Next, add 1/4 cup of extra fine almond flour to the mixture, followed by 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Stir everything together until a thick, dough-like batter forms. Take a teaspoon of batter into your palm, roll it into a ball, and then flatten it to create small, disc-shaped cookies. Place them on the prepared baking sheet. Use a fork to create a crisscross pattern on top of each cookie. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the cookies turn lightly golden. Once baked, let them cool completely. To make an extra special drizzle, mix 1 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and half a teaspoon of turmeric in a bowl. Stir gently with a fork until a thin glaze forms. Transfer the mixture into a small sealable bag, snip a tiny piece off one corner, and drizzle it over the cool treats. With this simple method, you can make delicious homemade dog treats that your furry friend will love. Oats are a great source of fiber, helping with digestion and keeping your dog full and satisfied. They also provide essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall health. Take 1 banana, peel it, and mash it with a fork until an applesauce-like texture forms. Then, add it to a large pot, and mix in a small amount of peanut butter. Next, add about 1 cup of oats and stir the mixture slowly with a rubber spatula until it becomes smooth. If needed, add more oats to reach the desired consistency. Once the mixture is well combined, use your fingers and palms to form small balls. By using this method, you can easily make homemade dog treats that your pup will love. For another method, add 1 fish to a large pot, then add 1 egg and stir with a spatula to combine thoroughly. Next, add 1 cup of flour to the mixture and mix well. When it is well mixed, add some cheddar cheese and stir again. Pour the mixture onto a baking tray and spread it evenly. Then, place it in the oven. After 40 minutes, take it out and transfer it to a chopping board, then chop it into small pieces. Your dog will love this homemade treat. With these simple recipes, you can make healthy and tasty homemade dog treats for your furry friend.